In this episode, we take a look at a Mini RC drift car 1:43 scale 4-wheel drive with full proportional control and a built-in gyro. If you are not a fan of this Porsche style car, you can choose a Ford, Nissan or BMW instead. This episode is sponsored by rtrhobby.com, the online shop that provided this model for review. They offer a wide range of flying models such as planes and helicopters as well as RC cars. You will find a few small electric cars and some larger ones powered by nitro or gasoline engines. Today we are taking a closer look at the first type, an orange Porsche with a built-in gyro. Will it drift well? Let's find out. The package was delivered quickly, so I didn't have to wait long to get my hands on it. It was securely wrapped in a bubble wrap to prevent any damage during transit, and it arrived in perfect condition. Alright, let's open the box and see what's inside. There is an instruction manual that explains the basic functions of the car and remote control, including how to pair the remote with the car, adjust the steering to drive straight, and set up the gyro. It also includes a troubleshooting table with solutions for common issues, along with maintenance tips, such as the advice that dust can accumulate in the rear gearbox and should be cleaned regularly. Under this foam cover there is a Mini RC car that seems to be quite pretty well made. It even shines as if it's been coated with 2K paint. It measures 12 cm long, 5 cm wide and 3.5 cm high. It's incredibly light, weighing only about 50 grams. You can also tell that it's truly 4WD, as turning one wheel causes the other to spin as well, so quite good looking and promising car. Under another foam cover there are a few more items to check out. 8 drift cones are included, which you can arrange in a different track layouts to practice your drifting skills and pull off some cool power slides. They make driving even more fun. With a bit of creativity you can set up challenging slalom courses or tie corners to test yourself. The set also includes 2 sets of tires, one for the rear and one for the front. These are made of soft rubber, providing much more grip compared to the hard tires that come pre-mounted by default. You can also see that they have tread patterns which add to their realistic look. Aside from that, there is also a charging cable and the remote controller. Alright, I will leave you now to watch the first run and explore the basic functions like charging, turning the lights on and off and adjusting the gyro sensitivity. Once you've seen that, I've set up 2 challenges, a drag race between this RC drift car and an F1 car on a straight line, as well as a tug of war. Curious to see who won? You will find out in just a moment. Talk to you in the summary. Enjoy watching. So we went through the basic functions, racing, drifting, and took a quick look of maintenance to keep this car in a good condition. I really like the fully proportional control and the fact that it uses a servo for steering. I probably didn't mention it, but there are 3 speed modes, 20, 50 and 100% throttle limits, which are quite useful when learning how to drive. After just a few minutes of drifting practice, I was able to pull off some controlled slides. They weren't perfect, but they were a lot of fun. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this review as much as I did. Feel free to leave a comment and subscribe, as it helps bring my content to more people. Cheers!